Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to open up the brand new Japanese cars of the 2018 F case. If you watched me unbox the case in yesterday's video, then you know we're currently doing another Hot Wheels car giveaway. The winner of the giveaway will be announced in my video next week, Friday, January 12th. I also just mailed out the prizes for the E-case giveaway, so the winners can expect to find those in their mailbox soon. We're going to start off here with my favorite new Japanese car model. It's the bright green 95 Mazda RX-7. Check out this Hot Wheels Speed Graphics Red 2016 Honda Civic Type R. Next, we have the new dark red color of the Custom Datsun 240Z. Here we have the blue Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. And our fifth and final car is the black 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X. So guys, there we have the 5 cool Japanese cars from the brand new 2018 Hot Wheels F case. We're gonna be unboxing more of the brand new models soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And if you haven't seen my unboxing of the F case, make sure you check it out for your chance to win, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.